All right, everyone, a very good morning. I hope you all had a great weekend. I hope you were able to spend a great amount of time with your family, with your friends, with your loved and near ones, right? So, today being the 18th of November, the first day of today's trading week, right? Being a Monday. Yes, we are back to Monday. We are back to the start of a new week with the markets up and running currently. Yes, as you can see on the screens also, the Nifty has been bearish since morning. We will be covering up upon that in terms of what are the factors regarding this particular bearishness. But nonetheless, I hope everyone is ready. I hope everyone is set for today's live streaming session. I can see Sophia in the chat house. Sophia is writing coming. Very good morning, Sophia. I hope you had a great weekend, and I'm happy that you're here and looking forward to correct how today's markets are performing. All right, let me start today's live streaming session with an introduction about myself. I am Harsh. I have 8 years of trading experience. I have been trading the forex markets. I have been trading the commodity markets such as oil, gold, silver. I have been trading the US indices such as S&P 500, Dow Jones 30, and the Nasdaq 100 as well. We are also looking at the Indian share market where we are analyzing the blue chip indices such as Nifty and Sensex, as well as identifying opportunities, right, in the individual Indian stocks. All right, so I am more of a technical trader. I specialize in technical analysis such as supply demand, price action, order flow analysis, wave analysis, swing analysis, and Fibonacci retracement analysis. When it comes to technical analysis, the list is quite expansive, right? But nonetheless, these are the major categories that I focus on. I have been blessed to be mentored by some of the brightest minds on in the financial markets. I have been trained and I have been mentored by people who used to act as floor traders on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So it's been a privilege for me and a blessing that I have been able to learn, from people who have been out there physically trading on the stock exchange. I have been also successful in handling $20 million worth of portfolios and have been able to generate a profit of around 30 to 35% on an annual basis. The reason we are, letting you know all the details are because you can be rest assured that you are being, mentored, you are being guided by someone who has experience, who has the knowledge, and who has the expertise to back it up. All right, so let's start today's live streaming session with the first question that I always keep asking. How many of you think it is able to make money in the stock market? If you think you can make money in the stock market, I want you to write down in the comment box. You can type one. For people who think that maybe we do not know how to make money or we do not believe that the stock market can make us money, you can type 2. Remember, I need to have this live streaming session as interactive as possible so that you and I can interact and have a bonding, right? I am here to let you know in terms of analysis, to let you know in terms of hot stock recommendations, correct? We at Dolphin Markets are having a clear goal in mind, and that is to provide you with valuable content in terms of analysis, in terms of providing you hot stock recommendations, right? Strategies that can make you money. And last but not least, we are here to provide you with trading education, right? Education pertaining to technical analysis. So when you're getting a trifactor of so much of, valuable information at your fingertips, right? For you to consume and to be aware and to make money. I mean, this is the best of the best streaming sessions that anyone can, ask for. We provide you with money making opportunities and we provide you with learning opportunities. When you can earn and learn together at the same time, that is the best thing that can that anyone can ask for, correct? So we are here to showcase our potential in terms of showcasing that yes, we have been consistent enough in generating consistent returns, correct? We are not talking of taking trades or just taking profits based on one or two trades. We are here trying to showcase our trading potential, trying to show you that yes, it is possible to make money consistently, right? In the stock market, right from 18th of September all the way till 7th of November, right? The first week of this month, we have been showcasing on a real time basis that yes, we have been taking trades, we have been closing trades, and we have been making money, right? We have been making profits. So for those who can see, who are able to analyze and have a glance at what value we are showcasing, you are very well aware that these trades have been taken based on a clear structure of where to enter and where to close trades so that you can make profits. We have been able to achieve a cumulative profitability of 135%, right? Based on 34 trades and in a span of almost 2 months. Remember, today is the 18th of November. We had started to take trades and square off positions on 18th of September. So right now, as you can see, we are sitting exactly on a span of 2 months. So 135% profitability on a span of 34 trades. 34 different trades have been taken and closed in a span of exactly 2 months, and we have done phenomenal, correct? We even have trades that are currently running. And remember, the markets run on probabilities, the markets are not based on certainties, correct? So we as analysts, we as traders are showcasing that yes, it is possible to make money in the financial markets, but sometimes, right, with a lot of macroeconomic factors which are currently playing out in terms of geopolitical uncertainty, in terms of the foreign institutional investments pulling out funds from the Indian economy, and with the lower than expected, profit earnings profit earning reports that have been published since last month, there has been more of a bearish sentiment, more of a skeptic sentiment, because the performances of companies that are providing their quarterly earning reports are not matching with what investors had expected from, correct? So there has been a lot of bearishness in the market, but nonetheless, even in a bearish market, we have been able to make 135% profitability. That just showcases our performance, our credibility when it comes to the Indian stock market. Remember, we at Dolphin Markets are currently entering into the Indian market, correct? And we are entering to bring awareness to the Indian consumers, to the Indian investors that yes, there is a company called Dolphin Markets. There is an analyst called Harsh who is providing you with live trading opportunities, hot stock recommendations that can make you money, correct? And if we can perform so well in the Indian share market, you can be rest assured that we can perform much better in the international markets, right? We are talking about the forex, the gold, and the CFD markets. Dolphin Markets has been established internationally. We have, our branches in Hong Kong, in Australia, and in United Kingdom. So we are very well versed or experienced when it comes to international markets. So if we can perform well in the Indian markets where we have just entered, to bring awareness to the people, we can perform much better in the international markets as well. So coming back to a question where I was asking you, can you make money or can you not make money? This is how we are showcasing our skills and our credibility in terms of showcasing you that yes, it is possible to make money in the financial markets. All right. Our goal over here is just to provide you with analysis, with trading opportunities, right? Which stock to enter, what date, which stock to enter, the time, the direction, the entry point, and once the trade gets triggered, where the trade is expected to run to. The moment the prices are coming to our estimated 5% profitability, We let you know the date it has been achieved, the take profit, the level at which prices have hit the 5% target, and the percentage that has been made. Remember, we are talking of an average profitability of 5% per trade. There are times when we have made more, there are times when we have made less, but the average is around 5%. So, on an average, if you're making 5% per trade, and based on the trades that we have taken, right, around 34 trades within a span of 2 months and 135% profitability, that just showcases that yes, we are able to provide you with consistent trades and with consistent money making opportunities, correct? So, how many people are understanding the value that we are bringing to the table? Imagine these trades that are currently taken in terms of the last week, right? These are trades that have been taken in the in the first week of November, and they have been closed at a profit. So the values that you are seeing, the stock recommendations that you are seeing have been provided to you recently. We are not talking of trades that have been taken in the last year, in the last quarter, in the last semi-annual, correct? We are talking about trades that have been placed very recently. As you can see, based on our trade holdings, we have trades that we have provided to you as well, right? But the latest one that was provided was based on 14th of November. 14th is last week's Thursday. We had provided to you a stock recommendation on RBL Bank with the entry price and with the 5% target. For those who are wanting in terms of having further targets, we're like, Harsh, there is more potential in the company, we want to aim for more. You are glad, we are glad that you can think for the longer term. But as we are showcasing our consumers, our viewers, our investors, how we can make money consistently, so we are aiming at a 5% profitable target, which is practical, and which we have understood that yes, it is feasible to make money on a regular consistent basis. All right, I hope people are able to understand. Now think about it. If you were to do the same thing by yourself, do you think it would be possible for you to, take trades to make such kind of monies? Write down in the comment box. I'm pretty sure majority of you would be saying that, Harsh, I don't think so. It is, I mean, we are hardly able to make maybe 5 or 7% in a year based on keeping our savings in a fixed deposit, or maybe we are able to make around 25% based on risk and based on putting money in the mutual funds. So this is where we are trying to showcase you that what you are able to generate around 5% on an annual basis, we are trying to make that on a regular basis. And for those who are putting it into different investment or different financial instruments such as mutual funds, SIPs, there are many, many modes of financial instruments. Every financial instrument has a risk associated with it, right? But we are trying to showcase that we are able to make very good returns on a consistent basis, keeping in mind that we focus a lot when it comes to risk management. For people who are asking, how, Harsh, what exactly are you talking in terms of risk management? When a trade entry, right? I hope people can see my screen. When a trade opportunity, a hot stock recommendation is provided to you, we let you know exactly where to enter and where to place the 5% target. And for those people who are asking, but how do you decide the position size? Should we go all in or should we risk based on what value? So we are always mentioning that we recommend everyone who is attending this particular live streaming, we want you to always look and manage risk, right? So always enter between 5 to 10% of your account, of your trading size, of your trading account. So your entry is fixed, your 5% profitability is also notified to you. The moment prices are going in our favor, we let you know that yes, prices are coming to the 5% target. And if it happens during the live streaming sessions, I will definitely make sure to notify you, to remind you. for any reasons, if the targets are being approached outside the live streaming sessions, you do not have to worry, right? Like I always say to all my viewers and to all my listeners and clients, when Harsh is here, there is nothing to fear. If for some reason the prices are coming to the 5% target outside the live streaming hours, I will make sure to notify you via my team of assistants, right? So my team of assistants will make sure to provide you with reminders, to provide you with notifications as and how prices are coming, so that you can close the trade and you can make money. All right. So yes, you need people, you need a company, you need a person who can mentor you, who can guide you, who can show you where to enter, where to exit. And I'm pretty sure for people who think that yes, it is not possible trading on our own, this is exactly what we are trying to showcase you. We are trying to provide you with live real-time based trade recommendations. We have been showcasing everyone on a consistent and on a real-time basis that it is possible to make money. We have proved day after day, week after week, and month after month, right? Just in the span of 2 months, and that too not on one or two trades, on more than 30 trades, right? 34 trades to be precise. And we have been able to generate 135% profitability. The numbers do not lie, and the numbers are in front of you, so you can have a look. If you are interested in having a copy of our stock tracking, you can always get back to my team of assistants, and they will be really happy to help you out. All right. So coming back to the charts, let's see in terms of what the markets are currently doing. We currently have certain trades that are running, correct? So we would be focusing on that. Please do remember that our live streaming sessions currently that are happening for anyone and everyone. Anyone who is interested to know more about dolphin markets, to know more about Harsh, can tune into the live streaming sessions, right? We have kept our live streaming sessions public because we are in the phase of marketing and we want to spread awareness to as many people as possible. But please bear in mind, with the value that we are providing, right? 135% profitability in 2 months is no joke. So, with so much of value at stake, we are keeping our live streaming sessions open only for the next 2 or 3 weeks at the max, right? Our services are mainly for VIP customers, people who are ready to invest, people who are ready to take action. Remember, trading is all about taking action. You can think of making a lot of money or you can make a lot of money. You have to take action, right? You can think a lot, but thinking does not be equivalent to making money. You have to take action, you have to take risks, and once you take risks and you take action, then you can see money, you can see profits being generated consistently. All right, let us jump into the watch list in terms of what we are currently having in terms of our trading opportunities, right? So as I had mentioned to you, we have IP rings. So IP rings was provided to you as a hot stock recommendation on 12th of November, right? With an entry at 200 to 205. So the blue color line that you can see is the area of interest that where we are planning, correct? And prices are currently over there. So prices are holding. Yes, the prices have slightly gone against us with a very small, movement. But please bear in mind that the prices had started on a bullish note. All right, give me a second. Let me just make sure the headings and all are not needed extra. 1 second. So we have our entry, which was between 200 and 205. Since today's market open, right? Today being the 18th, the prices have the prices, as you can see, have gapped up, right? Almost the prices had, traveled with almost a 3 to 4% appreciation in price. So yes, this particular stock was making money. It is making money currently. As you can see, the prices are in the direction, so do not worry. We will see, and as now prices are being updated, we will let you know. All right, so this has been for IP rings. Then we had even looked at the other trade, which was that ZAGGLE, correct? Let me just make sure I put in it over here. So we have ZAGGLE, all right. So this is a trading hot stock that was provided to you on, let me check the date. It was provided to you on 11th of November, all right, with an entry between 430, 434, and with a 5% target between 451 and 455. So let us go to the charts and let us see exactly what is happening. Currently, the prices are in a strong strength, right? ZAGGLE is basically in the technology and packaged software sector. Let us know a little bit about ZAGGLE. So ZAGGLE Prepaid Ocean Services engages in the provision of online digital payment and cashback services, correct? So this is basically coming into the IT sector as well, technology services sector, as well as into packaged software. Currently, with the trade right now sitting at 440, we are seeing that the prices are currently moving in a direction by 2.5%, right? So as you can see, I had mentioned in today's live streaming session's title as markets have gone up by 1%. So we will keep an eye on how prices move ahead. All right. So this was today's live streaming session. I hope you had a great time, and I will catch you later. All right. Bye bye and take care.